Hello guys, I am Shahzad Ahmed and welcome in lecture number first. Today we are going to start our new series which is Cpanel. So Cpanel is a place where you can manage your entire websites or a single website. In simple words, you can manage your web-based application using Cpanel. Cpanel basically provides you the functionality or the tools where you can manage your sites. For suppose file manager tool or database where you can manage your databases and subdomain FTP. We will learn each and everything in this series. So before starting, you have to familiar with web-based application like PHP, because PHP is a server-side language, or you have to familiar with simple HTML. So I consider you have the basic knowledge of HTML and PHP or ASP. Because why I am saying PHP and why I am saying ASP, if you are working on Windows platform, so they are using ASP.NET, and in the open source we are using PHP. But in this series I am going to use the PHP because PHP is a server-side language. Okay, so I will teach you each and everything from each and every section. For suppose this is the file section, database section, domain, software, advanced software apps installer, and this is the jet backup, and billing and support, SEO, marketing tools, email, metrics, and security preferences. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to start from the file manager. So thank you for watching.